Hello everybody, my name is Bashar and welcome to our new tutorial called Pygame in Riders. And in this tutorial we are going to see how to develop a 2D game using Python language and Pygame library. So you are getting this link from the description of this video, and once you click this link you will land to this page. If you are not signed in, you need to first sign in, and then you need to basically fork this project in order to have the open project section. This has a GitHub functionality basically, and once you have that, there will be a template, a README section where it is showing which games are installed and how to run it in our Riders platform. But we are going to get also to that right now. So what we are doing is basically first click Open Project button, and the opening editor sign will be shown on the top, and then the editor will be opened in seconds. This is a cloud-based system basically, and here you will get a computer in the cloud where Python, Pygame, and other things are installed in a nice IDE. So what you're seeing is right now our IDE, right? It's called Write, and you will see a documentation. And in this documentation, as it's explained, click to open code. And once you click here, the open code button, the code will be shown. And here we are going to play a bouncing ball game basically, and there are black, white, and green colors, which has been defined already. And there's a class of balls and a make ball function. And in this main function, all the game is running basically. So we initialize the Pygame in the first place. We define the size and screen. And once all done, we are coming into the main loop, main programming loop. And here you can see there are some events with where we can use, for example, the key down and key space events. And once space has been tipped, then it creates a new ball. So this we will try also. So how to try? So in this section, in this window on the right hand side, you can see run Python file in terminal. In order to do that, so let's click the yellow button. Once clicked, then you will receive basically a new game window called browser, and you will see that the game is played here, and you can drag the browser to the right hand side, and then you can see the code and the game in a splitted way. So let's make some changes so that our changes takes effect. So how we can do that? So as you can see, for example, here, define some colors, black, white, and green. So and as the ball is green, so let's search for the green now. And as you see, Pygame draws circle green. So let's do, instead of green, let's do a white one. Okay, so we changed the drawing circle basically to white. So let's make it work. So I close this, and you can close the browser window again. And then what you need to do is only again clicking the play button. And once you click, the game will reappear again. But in this time, it will be this in the white color. So let's click into the space button so that we create a new window in the keyboard. It has the full functionality interaction with the keyboard basically. And I will click, and then as you see, a new window, new ball is appeared. So, and you can create many balls as you want. So this is basically a template project. So you can make your own games here and make use of this template project basically, and then share with others. So as you see, I made some changes here. And what I would like to do is I would like to make these changes also public. So in order to do that, we need to make a publish action. And this is happening from here. So I click the publish project, and in this version, I will call ball is white. So, and once I click enter, you will see on the right hand side, branch version 6 published successfully. So let's stop the editor first. And then we come to the project history. And as you see, you can see our new version. And you can open from a version you want from the settings menu here. So this was a quick tutorial for Pygame, how to develop a Pygame game in Riders. And if you have any questions, please share your questions with us. Our social media links are also in the comments, in the description. And please also share with us your creative Pygame projects so that we can also make videos out of it. Thank you so much, and hope to see you again.